Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable USB driver ports on your Windows computer. If either you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 8, any Windows you can do it. Go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. You want to expand the universal serial bus controller driver, and device you want to disable it, right click on it and go to properties, go to driver option and disable device, click on it. Disabling this device will stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? Click yes. Now if you want to enable it, click on enable device. That's it guys. Hope this tutorial worked for you. Thanks for watching my video.